the four students. There were four friends who hate studying. They partied all nights before their exam and planned to skip their test by lying to the professor. So they went to the den and told him that they had been to a wedding the preceding night and on their way back they had a flat tire. They continued to say that they had to push the car all way back, as they did not have a spare tire and hence were not in all position to write the exam. They then listened and agreed to let them take the test on a later date. Happy that they got a second chance, for the four friends studied hard and were ready for the exam. On exam day, the dean asked the students to sit in the separate classrooms, which the students agreed to. The examination paper had only 2 questions for a total of 100 marks. The questions were thus: name your name, which tire of the car burst, which tire of the car burst. A option front tire, B option front right, C option here left, D option here right. All the four students were confused. Moral of the story: you may be smart, but there are people smarter than you in the world. The farmer and the well. A farmer looking for a source of water for his farm bought a well from his neighbor. The neighbor was cunning, thought, and refused to let the farmer take water from the well. On asking why, he replied, I sold the well to you, not the water. And walked away. The distracted farmer did not know what to do, so he wanted to birbal a clear man, and one of the 9 countries of Emperor Akbar for a solution. The Emperor called the farmer on his neighbor and asked why the man was not letting the farmer draw water from the well. The cunning man said the same thing again. I sold the well, not the water, so he cannot take my water. To this, Birbal replied, all that sounds fine to me, but if you have sold the water and the water is yours, then you have no business keeping your water in his well. Remove the water or use it all up immediately. If not, the water will belong to the owner of the well. Realizing that he been tricked and taught his lesson, the man obliged and left. Moral of the story: cheating will not get you anything. If you do cheat, you will pay for it soon enough. Thank you.